Unlock cinematic magic by mastering your Nikon Z50's incredible slow and quick motion, or S&q, feature to create stunning in-camera effects without needing any editing software. First, locate the mode dial on the top of your Nikon Z50, rotated until the S&q icon is aligned with the index mark. You'll now see the S&q screen appear. This is where we'll control your slow motion and sped up footage. To dive into the settings, press the I button, which is this button right here on the back of the camera. This brings up the quick menu. We're looking for the frame size, frame rate option. Navigate to it using the directional buttons and press OK. Here's where the magic happens. You have several frame rate options for standard slow motion. Choose a higher frame rate like 120 frames per second, or even 60 frames per second for a less dramatic effect. You can also select your desired resolution here for excellent quality. 1080p is a great choice for S&q footage. Now, critically, let's set the playback speed. This number tells the camera how many frames to display for each second of recorded footage. A playback speed of 3op means your 120 frames per second recording will play back at 30 frames per second, resulting in a 4x slow motion effect. Once your desired frame rate and playback speed are set, simply half-press the shutter button to focus, and then press it fully to start recording your mesmerizing slow motion or dynamic time-lapse, all within your Nikon Z50. Hashtag slow motion, hashtag quick motion.